Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have Hard Tank Battle by Glistening Giant. Looking at their code, we can see repeat blocks, glide blocks, and switch to costume blocks too. Move around to avoid being hit by the tank, but you must be able to take it down. Next we have Blocokanda boss fight by Middle Curve. In Middle Curve's code, we see when I receive blocks, broadcast blocks, and point and direction blocks as well. Run away from the Blocokanda snake for as long as you can. Here we have Out of Control, Level 1 by Likely Tower. In their code there's forever blocks, set linear velocity blocks, and apply impulse blocks too. Using only 10 moves, make it from the bottom to the green dot. Lastly, we have Create Your Own Adventure, Becoming a Detective by Voluminous Rabbit. This user created a text coding project where you become your own detective and solve cases. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time.